Welcome to Nifty and Banknifty prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for educational and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. If you join our group, you can able to get this advantage of prediction, which is we specifically told about the gap up possibilities because pre-opening is showing positive pre-opening on Wednesday, so that we asked to buy around 315 to 329 one small zero on Monday itself, so that I'm able to take that advantage if you join in our group. And that is what happened right now in the SGX Nifty. It is showing somewhat gap up is possible somewhere around. Actually, it is showing 157, but it is actually 215, something like that. It is. Sometimes the gift Nifty is showing the wrong number, but actually it is 215 and 214. Yeah, it is showing. See, it is changing automatically. It will change automatically around 214 in a time. So let's go to the prediction for Wednesday. What we have in the Nifty. Let's check whether it is changing. It is changing now. 214. So you will get that advantage if you join in our group. Now let's go to the prediction for Wednesday. What we have, there is a one bearish warning signal with all four indications or bullish. So if pre-opening is in the positive, you can see a bullish trend, and already we had a pending target which is 19,588, and any other is going to hit. If it is 214 gap up, means it will get hit. And there are so many downside as well as positive side pending target, but still we need to watch out how the pre-opening is going to be. It is going to be in the positive, but still what kind of points we will. But anything above the volatile level one, which is 141 points, 19,585 above that level pre-opening, means you can buy one call option 0 and positive average we are having around 270 points, which is 19,713. Up to that level it can go if it is matching any of these levels perfectly without breaking 10 points, any of these two levels. If it is not breaking this level or the next level, which is 10 points high, is not able to break, then we can expect a fall down. But at the same time, what we need to watch out is the next level, because we have a frequency level around 318. If it is breaking, for example, these two levels, if it is breaking, then the next level, which is not too much, which is 24 points from this particular 19,738. The next level is 19,762, which is 24 points, and then followed by the next level. So those four levels we can check. 10 points high is not breaking. Any of those four levels is matching, then the Nifty might fall down. And the bearish side, which is anything below the volatility, which is pre-opening, means it is in the bearish one. That's how it is not going to open that. But this is the normal rule which we need to remember. And the volatile surplus for the bearish plus 10 points high is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to fall down. Volatile surplus for the bullish minus 10 points low is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to go recover towards bullish. And resistance level and support level one, we need to watch out as well. The basic rules which we need to remember always, these basic rules will never change. Support level one low is not breaking. This particular level minus 10 points means Nifty can recover from the low towards to any level bullish, and resistance level. This level will anyhow will broke, so that we can't able to get the extreme bearish. It will fall down, but it will get controlled to certain level, because it will stay in the bullish itself. But as per Thursday data, we are expecting a bearish pre-opening. As per that, that is also we have given in advance. So Thursday market, so that on Wednesday closing we need to buy one put option 0. So that is what the instruction is. So I revealed that. But why we are taking only 0? Why? Because there is a failure ratio of 20%. So that is the reason we are asking to go for a 0. So 80% success ratio is there, but this data which uh, success is there and 20% failure is there. So why we are taking only 0 0? Because these data which I found out and applied and in the recent times, so we don't have a track record, big track record. So we are going safe way, so that if we get 70-80% success ratio, still we want to play safe. That is the reason we are going for a 0 0. 0 0 is nothing but 10 to 20 points for a small traders. Risk traders, they can invest little big, but one lot only we are taking chances. For example, risk traders can take 50 points to 100 points as a 0 0. Small traders can take 10 to 20 points, even up to 40 points. Why? Because if you are taking, if it is goes wrong, if it is goes against, it will not get uh, go in a big loss. Or if it is goes for 1 week, it will go to zero. But still, even if it is goes zero, it should not affect you. So the 80% success ratio is there. Still, we want to place it. That is the reason we are going for a 0 0. And the negative side, which is 138, comparing the positive side average, which is much higher. So we need to play according to that. And as per the bullish, anything, still what it shows that anything below this 19,887, Nifty will still try to come down towards negative side, which is 275. So if, for example, if it is open somewhere in the gap up around let's say 200 or 230 points, it can keep the high and try to fall down towards to the negative side. So still possible to fall down towards to 275 points, which means you need to play cautiously or book profit every now and then once you gain in the call option side. So we need to play much more cautiously as well. And this particular data, anything 19,631 below one put option 0 0. This is for the 0 0 purpose. Anything above 19,631, you can buy one call option 0 0. But still, what it shows that anything below 19,819. So 19,819 below, it is in control of the Irish. So it can close 188 points in the positive side or in the flat market in the flat negative. So which means it shows that it can fall from 200 points towards the negative side also. So book profit every now and then. And the key level, which is going to be 19,496, anything above the key level 52 points above means it can go 19,695. High is struggling to break, then the reversible is possible. But if it is trading above that 19,695, it is in strong bullish control. So watch out that as well. And anything below the key level, Nifty will try to come down towards 19,421. Low is struggling to break, then reversible is possible. Anything trading below the low 19,421, it is in strong bearish control. But what the interesting point is that this particular, because it is going to open anything above that particular level, it might go towards to that level. So we are expecting somewhere around 200 points. It is showing as per the HX Nifty or the Gift Nifty. Let's take 20 points discount on 20 points above. So plus 20 points if it is opens, or minus 20 points if it is opens, which means 180 points pre-opening positive, or plus 220 points pre-opening possible. Let's say assume this in this way. If it is taking 19,695 means it will take 252 points. So after reaching 19,695, whether it is going to break that level or whether it is just sustaining that level and start to fall down. So we need to watch out that as well. So that is going to be key. For example, if it is breaking that level, it can go to the next level, which is 19,752. So it will stay in between those levels. So we need to watch out as well. We need to closely monitor. Why? Because let's take an example. If it is open somewhere around as these levels 220 or 180, 190, something like that. So these two averages we are taking, and if it is goes further upside, what is the average we are getting, which is 19,673. So up to 19,673 it will fall down. Let's take even further more if it is going up around 318 points, which shows that 19,695. So 19,695 means it Even though if it is goes up to 19,762, what it shows that it can fall down from that particular level 19,695. So it can fall down 70 80 points and trade between 19,690 or close between that level. If it is low, is staying in the resistance level 5, which is 19,639. So if it is falls further, let's take if it is falls further somewhere from 300 to some flat 20 30 points, what it shows that it can recover from the low, which is 585. 120 points recover is also possible, which is 19,585, which is 19,585, which shows the overall average. So even if it falls down bizarre way around from 270 or 320 range towards to even flat positive, means it can reverse from close in the positive around 140. So recovery is also sharply can happen. So even though if it is falls on 300 point very sharply, then it can recover 120 points just like that in 10 20 30 minutes. So watch out those as well. And let's go to the bank nifty. What we have, there is no warning signal at all, but we have four bullish indicators and there is no new target, and but still so many positive set pending target and negative set pending target is there. So basic rule, which is anything above the bullish zone 179.9044,071, anything above that level, pre-open means it is in the bullish zone, you can buy one call option hero zero. Anything below the volatile 2 means you can buy one put option hero zero. Anything in between you need to go for hedging method. And volatile surplus for the bearish plus 10 points is not breaking, then bank nifty will fall down. Volatile surplus for the bullish minus 10 points is not breaking, then bank nifty will recover. These are all the basic rules on support and resistance level. Even if I forgot to tell these basic rule, you need to remember resistance 1 and support level 1. These are all the basic rules. The resistance level 1, anyhow, it is going to break, but we can focus on the support level 1 minus 10 points. Low is not breaking, then has a potential to go bizarre bullish. And the basic rule, which is resistance level plus 10 points, is not breaking, then it can go bizarre bearish. But this is going to not happen. Resistance level, anyhow, it is going to break on the pre-opening itself. So we can see a bullish run, and the positive average is having 320, negative average is 380. This is something not what we saw on the nifty is like positive side, which has heavier negative side. Here it is a little heavier, but still anything below pre-opening this particular 44,300 means it can bank nifty can still come down to 674. So that is what the pre-opening as per the par value rule. If it is trade, if it is opens above that level, means it can take the nifty towards so even 45,383. So pre-opening we need to watch out in the bank nifty as well. But this particular data what shows for the euro zero 44,005, sorry 44,056. Anything below you can buy one put option euro zero 44,056, 44,056. Anything above that level you can buy one call option euro zero. But anything in between 44,344 and 44,117, then bank nifty is going to struggle. Anything below 44,117 means it is in strong bearish control. It can close in the flat or it can close in the negative around 245 points. Anything above the 44,344.31, then only the bullish, strong bullish will take control. And the key level for the bank nifty what we have is that around 29 points, 43,920. Anything above that level, it it will reach 44,191.49. High is struggling to break, then reversible is possible. Anything trading above that level 44,191.49, it is in strong bullish control. Anything below the key level around 43,920, bank nifty will come down to 43,772. If low is struggling to break, the reversible is possible. Anything below the 43,729.74, it is in strong bearish control. So watch out those level. And here also we need to watch out if anything trading above this level means 44,191, which is clearly above this particular level. So if it is struggling to break these two levels and matching any of the levels perfectly plus 10 points is not broken, then fall down can happen. So 44,200 to 44,330 range, we need to check out here 44,300 range, which is clearly the positive side average 44,200 and 44,330. Those levels, which is showing so many levels. Those 7 levels we need to closely monitor. If it is struggling to break plus 10 points, any of those levels perfectly matching. For example, let's take one particular, this 44,338. So 44,348.94. If I is not breaking, I have added that 10 points. So if this particular level high is not breaking, perfectly matching inside of it, then Banknifty will start to fall down towards to any level. So that is how we can need to keep stop loss. If it is breaking, then the next target will automatically get open. So which is 100, close to 100 points range, 95, 93, something like that. So what are those levels? I'm giving example. If it is matching on the high, lower side is also the same, but only thing is minus 10 point. Higher side is plus 10 points. Stop loss minus 10 points. Stop loss for the buy and sell. So these rules always be the same. Let's see how the market is going to evolve on Wednesday. Thank you.